Welcome to the Plant Species Lists tutorial. This is Chaz
and Ashley
with the VGS Dev team. This tutorial will show you how to create predefined plant species lists that allow users to efficiently populate species into a protocol method during field input.
From the menu toolbar, select Setup, then List Manager. The List Manager window will open. Select Species Input under the list type. Select New. Name your new list, give your list a description if desired, and click Save. Next, click on the Members tab to populate your species list. The Species Input screen opens. You are now accessing the entire NRCS plants database.
Enter a species by clicking on the drop-down arrow under the Species Code column. The Select Species dialog box will open. Search for your species by either code, common name, or species name. Continue to add more species by clicking on the drop-down arrow under the Species Code column on the next line. You will note in the code column there is a list in black and a list which is green under the word current. Often, taxonomists reclassify a plant's genus or species, and the NRCS plants database provides those legacy changes such that users can choose between either name. For example, the old code for shrubby cinquefoil was Pofer 4. However, the new code, due to a genus name change, is Daffer 6.
You can also add information about a species qualifier. A qualifier is sometimes desirable if you are monitoring for items such as age class. When you have completed your list, click Save, then Close. Your new plant species list can now be selected when you open your field input for vegetation sampling.
There is no limit to the number of species that may be added to your species list, but it is advisable to add only the common plants to avoid overcrowding the plant species frame when using the list for field input. Species lists may be edited or updated at any time by using the same process. Multiple species lists may be created, but only one list will appear at a time in the plant species frame during field input.
To share your species list with other VGS users, you may export the list. Select the list to be exported in the List Manager window and click on the Export button. Browse to where you would like to save the .vgss file and click Save. This list can now be provided to other users through the import process in the List Manager. Select Import, then browse to the species list file and select Open.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. For user support, please contact the VGS Dev team at vgs.arizona.edu.